This video will demonstrate the TDTemplate download process and customizing the setup within AutoCAD. So first off, if you are in Internet Explorer, you want to locate the download the TDTemplate link. We're going to right click on the TDTemplate and select Save Target As, and I recommend saving this to the desktop so that it is easy to find. If you're in Firefox, similar thing where we're going to right click on the TDTemplate and we're going to save the link as, and again I'm going to select the desktop. If you're in Chrome, we're going to right click on the link, we're going to save the link as, and we're going to navigate to the desktop. Very similar procedures for all three browsers. To customize the setup within AutoCAD, we first need to locate our AutoCAD Architecture 2015 and launch that program. Now right underneath that you can see that TDTemplate that I just downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and launch our AutoCAD program, and that is going to go through and initialize the program and load everything, but it is not loading the TDTemplate in there. Now the TDTemplate is a file that has a bunch of different settings already built into it that'll make it real easy to get started on doing some different type of drawings. As this program loads, we need to figure out how to navigate back to the TDTemplate to open that so that we're opening it as a template rather than trying to edit the template. And to do that, we need to locate the application menu, which is located in the top left hand corner. We're going to left click once on that, and we're going to come down and select New. And that's going to bring up a pop-up window, and we need to locate the desktop, and we're going to find our TDTemplate, and that's going to load a bunch of different settings into our program. Again, that's going to make it a little bit easier to draw. Now there's a couple things I'm going to do first. I'm going to close out of these two windows because we don't need those right now. Down below here we have our command line, and we need that to be docked on the bottom. It's just going to make things a little bit easier, and it might take a little bit, but it'll snap down there. So we have our command line docked. We close those two windows. The other thing I'm going to do is come up to my view menu, which allows me to change some different settings here, and I need to click the layout tabs. Now what that's going to do down here at the bottom, it's going to toggle on and off our layout tabs, and it's going to make it a little bit easier to work if we can see model space and our A-size paper, which is set up in our paper space. We're going to be using these a little bit later. That is about it for setting up and customizing the workspace within AutoCAD to make it real easy to get started drawing.